Okay. All right. Well, it's already recording.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's already recording. We're just getting ourselves together here.
Hey, Mom.
Okay, let's go ahead and begin.
Makeup!
I'll be in my trailer. Okay. All right.
47 flat.
Now, what were we going
got
to?
no water. What the heck?
It's not in your contract?
83. 9
I knew I should have.
All right.
I knew I should have asked for more.
And we're back. To me, it felt fun.
9
Where firms felt like I was
Fun don't
was
win
racing.
races.
Sure. Yeah, it doesn't win races. Can you place it back over there again so that the car, because for continuity
Excuse
purposes.
me, sir.
Are we done?
I do believe so.
Thank you.
Peace!
Done.
Done, done, and done.
And this is my main man, Kenny B! The man, the myth, the legend. Retired from UPS and now he's hanging out with me. All right.
Ken,
All right. You got it.
is the camera on?
The camera is on.
Now it's my
Is
turn
this
on the
is
phone.
this thing working?
Is this thing working? Is it on? Oh, hold on a minute. Hit the pause button. Whoa.
Sheila's texting. You want me to answer?
RC28R IAM-RC Raceway.
What do you want, Sheila? All right.
Are you close enough? Should I get close? And welcome to another edition of our tuning series. Hello, everyone. My name is Chris. Let's do this again. Denmark. What are side torsion bars? And
Right.
as always, we'll share the lap. As always, that wasn't it. No, we got to do it over. Now it is my turn to do my run.
Hold on.
Oh, hold on a minute. Denmark, we've made the change to firms.
I did all the work.
Okay, sure. Anyways,
You just worked the camera. All right. Go ahead.
now it's my turn on the firms. Denmark just did his. And we're back. I'm gonna wipe my face off too because I feel sweaty. Hello, everyone. My name is Chris.
Hello, my name is Sajin. Well, I'm here. I think I'm prettier than Denmark, so I hope folks, like this week's video too. So
I'm sure that they will, Sajin. Yes,
right.
Denmark is out today,
Okay.
and so we have Sajin with us, and we're gonna, we have Sajin with us.
Yeah.
We'll
Right.
work on that. So 28R center shock here at IAM-RC. Man, I don't know how I'm supposed to end it. This, so that's gonna wrap up the video here at IAM-RC Raceway, sent on the testing of the shock. Edition of IAM-RC Tech Talk here at IAM-RC Raceway in Manassas, Virginia. At the
we're not
Manassas
recording,
Mall.
don't worry. Yeah, not
We
yet.
are recording, actually.
Start over. Are we doing?
Take two.
Okay.
Right.
Right.
Right. And the damper tubes are supposed to smooth out that motion.
44.5.
Yes.
Okay. Can you turn that back down to 0, the audio on the thing, on the computer?
So we're going to start with
30K.
30K. Is that
Very
on?
good. What?
Is that on? I'm
Is your
double
mic on?
checking. Yes.
Yes, it's on.
Okay, good.
Is this thing on?
All right, Chris.
Now it's my turn to do the test run. Sorry, hold on a minute. We good? So Sajin reported that the 50K wouldn't rotate, so we'll see if going heavier actually causes the car to just be stiffer in the rear. Now it's my turn to run my 50K. And we're back. Press and hold yours. It's not on at all. I think so.
Right.
Let me make sure it's recording. I'm pretty sure it is because I hit the record button. Maybe we'll share that.
The race
data
is
then.
completed.
Sounds good.
And
All right, let me get the batteries.
Yeah.
Be creepy.
Uh,
Don't be creepy.
all right.
What happens when we tighten the diff?
All right. So when you tighten the diff,
Sajin,
Yes.
do you want
I
to?
got it.
Sajin, what happened? All right,
Okay.
let's and cut.
Okay.
And
All right.
Denmark is up now. He's differentiating the differential.
I'm differentiating the differential.
That's right. Get Denmark mic'd up now.
All right,
Sajin
pull
is,
this
and then
out.
we're gonna get his.
He's
running.
touching me.
All right.
You better go because your wife's gonna whoop your ass.
No. We're supposed to.
Yeah. Okay.
It's
Yeah.
Jason's birthday tomorrow.
Hot mic.
so
Hot mic.
We're supposed to say top shop spring. Top shop.
Center shock spring.
Say
That's why they can't say
Center shock spring.
cut to
The S.
yeah.
softer. Oh, I can't eat.
Are you feeding a grown man?
I made you one.
Thank you, Sajin. I appreciate you.
I'm gonna put it in
Sajin
my-
made me a
What the?
cheese meat sandwich. Cheese meat cracker. I mean,
I can't work like this. What the hell? He was gonna put that in my mouth. Wow.
Can I put it-
I can't work under these conditions.
All right. Yes. There you go. Right.
Just shoulders and below.
Denmark.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay. So if you go to the other
we're
end,
live.
we were.
It's okay.
That's okay, Mr. Wilson.
What about you?
I'll sit next to Denmark and watch what he's doing.
Just don't touch me. You
No
touched me
touching.
last time and
No touching Denmark. And then
okay, how much grease is in there?
there's this small. Yeah. See that?
Okay. Could be, and that was the comments by Mark Tampson, who has been a racer for a long time. I've been racing with this guy for 15, 20 years.
He's
a good guy. And he's very knowledgeable. So a lot of times I get my information from him.
Have you been racing mini Z's, Mark?
On and off for maybe 4 years.
Okay, cool. All right. So you're a 10-skill guy?
Ah,
Typically. But this is fun.
This is really fun.
All right, let's see.
All right, I'm gonna try the medium top shock spring. Top spring shock. Yes, medium. You're going right to left. More.
Okay.
Chris, I think he's gonna run 7.5, but you and I had used batteries. He's got the fresh battery. Okay, never mind. He's a better driver. All right, never mind. He's not running 7.5. He's running 7.4. Jeez. Fresh batteries. Fresh battery. Yeah.
on all the springs.
Definitely.
Soft, medium, and firm.
Number one, is it proper English? Do we have to say soft, medium, and firm, or is it soft, medium, and hard? I don't know. We'll look it up. We'll come back to you. But basically, what? Huh.
Good question.
I think it's soft,
Really?
medium, and hard.
Okay.
I mean, I did get 1100 on my SAT, which is bad. But anyways, I think I got a
I'm
little
cutting
higher.
all of this. No, just go and talk about soft, medium, and firm.
All right. All right.
I don't
Okay,
care.
I'm gonna say hard.
Some bull.
It's all getting cut out. You see
Bloopers, man. Bloopers.
Yes.
Okay.
Which would be
fine.
Oh, you're a blooper.
Blooper.
Okay.
Okay. So click that subscribe and like. Thank you.
Take care, everybody.
Peace.
Go ahead.